Here's a quick one, just for a bit of fun. Not going to work in the practical, in the real world. It's not very practical, but sat here on the vise, it's just a bit of fun. I've got a 7-lever safe lock. That's the key bitting, so quite nice. That's your bolt thrower, where my nail is pointing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And they're all in there. They do have anti-picks on the levers. If you pick them in the right order, they obviously don't come into play, but I don't know if you can see the anti-pick there. All the levers are in there. Okay. And we're going to try and pick it with GJ's multi-pick. I've got a longer upstand on the end there to help us get that bolt, because it is curtainless. But you can see we do manage to grab that. So pop this GJ's wire in there, and we can see in the levers there, that's no good. So I'm just going to take a old receipt that I've got here, and see if I can cover that up in some sort of way. That'll do. Okay. Off we go. I got a nice click there, felt like maybe lever 2. Click there on the front lever. Another click on number 2. Towards the back. Oh, that felt good. And there we go. And without damaging the wire, if we get that untrapped somehow. Oh, there we go. All the way across and give it back. Thank you. Yeah, that's it really. Just wanted to show you can practice on these locks and pick them with the curtain picks. You just got to chuck a longer stump thrower in the end. That's it. Thanks for watching.